Hi, I'm Gemma, Director of Interiors at WGSN, and we're here at Milan Design Week with Angela and the whole team. Join us to find out 5 key conversations that are catching our eye as we divide and roam the streets of the city.
Designblok Cosmos brings together the best of contemporary Czech glass into a mesmerizing environment that cleverly alters perceptions. The installation showcases both traditional and experimental approaches to the material.
Tamart is a new brand that honors the work of the founder's modernist architect parents and reimagines their original forgotten sketches for today's audiences as contemporary heirlooms.
Rome-based Wanderart showcases its Lunar edition, which features a collection of wax-cast objects that reference the craters and rugged landscape of the moon, while exploring the juxtapositions of soft and rough, as well as matte and shine.
The Root Arts Club brings together 2 distinctive brands connected by the creativity of designer Faye Toogood. Mischievous rugs, lunar paper lights, and pillow-like furniture create a surreal and wonderful realm. Joy is a key driver to engage your present and future consumer. Use play and feel appeal to create collective experiences such as a Kidult playground at House of Switzerland, bright aluminium mirrors at Ultraforme, and even dancing plates at La Double J.
There is so much more we look forward to sharing with you from the shows. Find our coverage of Milan Design Week, Salone, and Eurocachina live soon on WGSN.com.